Hi there, this is Barbara Template. Today I'm going to show you how to set your brand colors and brand font in Canva. So it stays there and you don't need to search for it every time you do some design. So I'm going to share my screen and I go to Canva. I am at home and I'm at brand kit. This is a pro feature. If you don't have Canva Pro, check the link below. There's you can try the Canva for 30 days for free. I strongly recommend it. Okay, so over here I already have something. This is for language school. I've got the brand logo here. I've got brand colors, and then I've got fonts there as well. So brand logo, very simple. You just put plus and you upload your logo. Okay, brand colors. How do we do it? So I go down here because I put a few more there. Add and discover palettes. So now you will add a custom palette. Okay, and here is written untitled palette, so I can name it. Okay, I can name it. Let's say my brand colors. Okay, and I go plus and I add the hex code for the color that I want. Okay, so let's say this one, I press OK. This one, I press OK, OK, OK. Yeah, so let's say we have these colors. You can always add more colors or you can delete them. Yeah, so as simply as that. This is how you add your colors. Same with the fonts, brand fonts. I've got already some fonts here. I will show you next video how to upload a font. And once you have a font here, yeah, you can change it, or you can change the setting of how big is it. Okay, then you will find it over here in your brand kit. So if you go to your Canva design, let's try if it works. What we can do, let's say Instagram post. I'm going to create a new post. And now if I want to add color, it hasn't saved yet. I haven't refreshed the page, but let's see if it's down here. Yeah, it's down here. My brand colors. Okay, so it's over here and I can use them every time. I've got more palettes here, so you can just move it at the front. So it's up, it's always the first one that you use. Yeah, for the language school, I've got these colors. You see, so they are the first one, and I don't need to search for them. I don't need to insert the hex code all the time. I've got it here, and every time I'm doing some design in my colors, I know exactly which color is it. As simple as that. And if I do some text, okay, let's keep this one, text. Yeah, as you can see, when I put add heading, this is the font which I had there set as a brand font. Arvo, subheading the same, body of text, architect daughter. Yeah, so I've got these three. Yeah, you can see over here, Arvo, architect daughter. So every time I insert heading, subheading, or body of the text, okay, I make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. It will come up in this font, in my brand font, so I don't need to change it and search for it. Very simple trick to do in Canva, save you a lot of times by adding your brand colors to brand kit, yeah, which is on the main page in the Canva, and just add and discover palettes, name your palette, and with plus, add the color or the hex code of the color you want. If you don't want something, you delete it. Same with the brands. That's all for today.